So we're gonna first push our edges back using this Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. Then push the edges back using a hard brush or your edge brush, like that. And then blow dry the hair. So doing the same thing, put the gel onto my edges, push back the hair. Then afterwards blow dry. So next we're going to remove any extra oils or gel that you may have on your forehead. I'm going to use this toner. I love to use these pantyhose because they are sheer, as you can see. Cut some holes onto your ear. I'm gonna use this ghost band glue to glue down my wig cap. I apply my glue in dots and then spread it out. And by now, I believe you've already subscribed to the channel, and if not, please subscribe just to support this channel. Now we're going to go in with some Got2b glue freeze spray to add more security to our wig cap because we want our wig to last for a while. And then blow dry. So to tint my wig cap, I'm going in with a darker foundation just because that my forehead is kind of darker than my face right here. Now we are cutting off any extra wig cap that we do not want using some sharp scissors, but I want you to be very careful when you're doing this step because you can easily cut yourself, and always hold the scissor against your head when cutting the extra cap off. We are going to first tint the lace to match the color of the foundation we put on our wig cap. So now we are cleaning any makeup that you may have got on the forehead while tinting the wig cap. You want to protect your skin where you're going to put lace glue. So I use aloe vera gel. Put on your wig and then mark out the edges of the lace. So I apply my glue in dots and then spread it out. When the glue is dry, bring your lace in front. Put some dots like that and then spread it out. You can apply any layers that you want, either 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, but do not exceed more than 5 layers. So put the lace above the glue, and you can see how I'm pushing the lace into the glue with my hands. Always put the lace above the glue. We're gonna put glue on the lace that did not receive glue, as you can see right there. Gluing down the lace can be tedious, but you just gotta be patient and take your time. That's when you get a perfect install. After gluing down your lace frontal, we're going to spray Got2b free spray along the lace to add more security, just because we went in with one layer of gas band glue. Blow dry it halfway and then tie it down with an elastic band. So I tie it down for 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the band. So to make it match our forehead, we're going to use the same foundation we have been using and put some along the lace using a fluffy brush. Spraying some sprays on top of a cover and then put it onto the lace so as it can melt into our skin. So afterwards, we're going to tie with an elastic band for as long as you want. I would say 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, but it depends on how much time you got. So remove the elastic band. So to further melt the lace, we are going in again with the sprays. This is the double method. And then we're gonna go in with some styling foam. I'm using this olive oil styling foam. Pump some on the back of my hand and then put it on the edges just like that. After 10 minutes, so remove the elastic band. I'm fixing my hair, doing my makeup, and I'll be right back. Oh my god. This is the finished look. Do you like it? Did I make it work? Is it worth it? Let me know in the comment section, because I'm really feeling myself. Like this is my hair. Do you like it? Because I'm in love. Like, I feel like it came out nice. Let me know in the comment section if you really like this look the way I like it, because it's giving rich, elegant, sassy, attraction, everything. And let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. Give it a like and subscribe. Share with your friends, and you can download this video and watch it as many times as you feel like. And please stick around to see the next videos I upload. Bye.